Hey guys, welcome back to this Tai Chi Basics for Beginners series where we're covering the fundamental principles that make Tai Chi work. In the previous video we talked about the Dantian, its role in developing skill in Tai Chi. In the first two videos we covered relaxation and alignment and how they are both critical for being able to develop awareness of your center and ultimately developing more skill. In this video we're going to talk about unity. When we talk about unity in Tai Chi, we're talking about the whole body moves as one. If one thing moves, everything moves. This is the ultimate goal of your Tai Chi practice. This is what we are all striving for. We are all striving to develop deeper levels of unity where the whole body is moving as one unit through the center with relaxation. So what does it mean for the whole body to move as one? Well, let's take an example from double-handed silk rilling. So when we're doing our silk rilling, we want to ensure that the whole body is moving together. So what does that mean? As I'm turning the body, the legs must be moving as well, the center must be turning, the head is turning because it's following the center. The center is leading the movement, so if the center is moving, everything should be moving as one. You'll see that my legs are moving, and even when I've shifted the weight to one side, the legs are still twisting, spiraling on the inside. The energy is still moving. And the more you can move everything at the same time, the more unity you will have. When we talk about one part moving and every part connected to it, we mean that when the hand turns, the foot is turning. When the waist turns, the upper body is moving. When the neck turns, lower body is moving. Everything is moving together. It may not seem in the beginning that each movement is connected and moving together. In fact, when my Tai Chi journey began, I was extremely disconnected. So in the beginning with Tai Chi, you might feel some disconnection between the movements, especially between the arms and the legs moving. As you develop more relaxation, you'll develop more subtle awareness of where the body is not connecting. And then it's a matter of just relaxing that area through the Dantian. So in the last video, we talked about the Dantian and how the Dantian leads the movement. To get unity, you want to ensure that you are moving from the Dantian first and then letting the body align with that. We say that we move the center and the rest of the body follows. In the beginning, the timing might be a little bit off. You might find that your arms are moving faster than your center. So the arms could be turning a little bit faster than the center, whereas the center is playing catch up. But after a while, you'll notice that when you slow down the movement, things become more unified. So how do we develop more unity in our Tai Chi? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to learn the form. When you learn a form, at least you've got some structure. And then once you've got the form down from start to finish and you know which movements are going where, then you can focus on the center, moving from the center, relaxation and alignment. Once you've focused on relaxation and alignment and moving from the center, then you're going to integrate unity into your form. In the beginning, your form might be a little bit clunky. It might be more square instead of circle. That's okay. That's where we all start. That's every beginner's path. It's always going to feel clunky and weird in the beginning. Tai Chi is a journey. It's a long journey. It's a process. So don't be expecting that you're going to have unity within a few months of just starting your practice. If you want to develop unity, you've got to practice more regularly. You've got to practice every day so that your body develops a sort of muscle memory. You could call it the energetic body memory. So guys, in summary, to get unity in your practice, you've got to first know the form. Secondly, you've got to develop relaxation. Thirdly, you've got to develop correct postural alignment and do the moves correctly. Fourth, you've got to move from the center. You must move from the center and lead from the center. When you do all four steps, you've got the form, relaxation, alignment, and moving from the center, unity is going to be a natural byproduct of these four. That concludes this video on unity, guys, the ultimate path for Tai Chi, where we're all going and where we all want to get to. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you're getting value and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.